Ecotourism can be defined as responsible travel to natural areas that conserve the environment. In the way of conserving the ecotourism environment, I and the local tourism ambassador responded to citizen posts who asked for help in cleaning the trash in Nusa Pakel, Panjalu. This is one of our efforts in preserving ecotourism in order to stay clean and healthy. Earth judges our words, breathing and peaceful steps. Let every breath, every word and every step make the Mother Earth proud of us. Save the Earth, save our lives.
There is no tourism place more beautiful than a clean and healthy tourism place. Pariwisata sehat, pariwisata kuat, pariwisata hebat.